Hey gang, it's L2 Fit here, coming to you with my series how to get started with fitness. In today's video, we're talking about getting the right clothing. Now, a lot of people, they might not think about what clothes to wear at the gym, but you definitely want to have the right clothing if you're thinking about working out. So, before you step foot in the gym, make sure you have the right sneakers. Now, when you're working out, if you're not just running, if you're doing weights as well, the best type of shoes to have is cross trainers. That way, you can do lateral movements, you can do weight training, and you can do running. If you just have running shoes, it's going to limit the mobility of your body and what you can do. So you want to make sure you have cross trainers. So if you want to pick out a pair of shoes, cross trainers is a type of shoes you should have if you're looking to work out. So you can do a variety of different things. You're not limited to running, you're not limited to lifting. You can run, you can lift, you can do whatever you need to do to be fit. So make sure it starts with the shoes. Make sure you have the right shoes. Now, if you have a problem with your feet, you definitely want to make sure you see a foot specialist because it might even benefit you have customized orthotics or something like that. So make sure you get that checked out as well. The next thing you want to make sure you have is breathable clothing. Now, in today's world with so much technology that we have, it's great because instead of just having a regular cotton t-shirt, you can have the breathable clothing and a lot of different, most fitness companies now, most athletic companies now have breathable clothing. Under Armour would be probably the first one to come to mind. Nike has it, Adidas have it, Lululemon. All the popular fitness apparel has breathable clothing. So even if you don't want to go with a name brand, you can even go to Walmart and get breathable clothing. Everyone has it. So definitely make sure you have breathable clothing. That's going to help you to be able to have a great workout but not overheat. The next thing you want to do is make sure you have weight gloves if you're doing lifting. If you're lifting weights using dumbbells or barbells, it's very important, especially for ladies that have weight gloves, because that way you won't get the calluses build up on your hands, which is not a fun thing to get. So you want to make sure you have the weight gloves to make sure that you're protecting your hands, but not only that, you're going to be able to grip the dumbbells and the barbells properly. So, just to recap, make sure you have the right shoes, which is cross trainers. Make sure that you have breathable clothing, and make sure that you have weight gloves. This is L2 Fit. Hope this video helps you, and look forward to seeing you next time. And comment below and let me know what question you have about getting started with fitness, and I'll try to make a video of it. Have a great day.